Sure, first aid.
Hey, my name is Hiren Amin.
Hi, my name is Prashant Patel.
Hi, this is Abhijit.
Hi, my name is Devang Chauhan.
My experience, it was good working in such place जहाँ पे height ज़्यादा है.
This is my first experience working in a short film, and it was good, I think so. Yeah, it is tough for me to be in this kind of situation, like the topic we are working on it. And it was quite a bit hot season going on, and working in this kind of season, it was a bit tough. But I've tried my level best, and wish you all like the thing what I did.
यहाँ पे सीमेंट का सब कंस्ट्रक्शन है, very humid and we are sweating like hell. I don't know, I almost worked not more than 2 hours, but I pity people who are shooting, especially Hiren.
The best shot is like when the serial killer is trying to kill me and I'm running out and is following me and I jumped from that dam. It was the best shot for me, and it was quite a bit tough, and climbing up in the dam and then running in that hot climate. It was tough, but we tried our level best.
The difficult part was location. I mean, location which should look nice, it should look creepy again, and I mean, some place we could shoot very easily and without any problems, because the thing is, there are public problems on roads which I needed, that public should not harass us, and plus we can shoot it easily, which is not possible at all. But still, then I came across my friend Nidhi Jani, and as I met her, she just told me like, do you want to see the location? I have some locations in mind. She tried to explain the locations 2 or 3. I said it's not a big problem to just see the location and then plan it out. And then I just went over there, and what did I see? Wow, the location was just amazing. I mean, a broken what do you say, old castle or something, and it was completely messed out. It was something like a graveyard is a better place than that, and I need same thing for it. Same thing means it was out of my imagination. What I imagined about some locations, these locations were like above my expectations, you can say, because I could not imagine like my video will be such a good location than what I thought of. I did not think these location will be for me, and then I started shooting over there. I loved that place.
My experience about the shoot is the किला. मैंने गांधीनगर में कम से कम 10 साल से रह रहा हूँ और मैंने ये किला नहीं देखा आज तक. जब हिरेन ने मुझे बुलाया यहाँ पर और यहाँ पर आके बोला कि मेरा डबल रोल है, लाइक दिस इज़ फॉर हिरेन.
I actually don't know how Hiren is going to connect my role with the entire script and what is the actual story.
Yeah.
तो પછી you suddenly switched. ते तो लिंक के तक.
देख, एक मैं तेरे को बात बताऊं.
Let him speak.
नहीं, मैं ये जो करने वाले मैं वही बता रहा हूँ. हैव ऑलरेडी टेकन सम शॉट्स बिफोर आल्सो. ये इसको सीरियल वाइज ज्वाइन करेंगे. जैसे तूने गाने को एडिट किया है ना, ही विल एडिट द थिंग और सीरियल वाइज उसको ऑनलाइन करेंगे. इन्होंने 2-2 3-3 शॉट क्यों लिया है? जो सीरियल के साथ मैच होता है उसको वो बिठाएंगे.
એ તો આમ ઓલમોસ્ટ કન્ટિન્યુએશન મારે જ જાય છે એવું જ છે.
જો આને બીજી વસ્તુ કહું, શોર્ટ્સ ખૂટશે પણ ને તો એમાં બે એડિટિંગમાં બેસ્યા પછી તો સ્ટોરી બની જશે મારાથી. અરે સૃષ્ટિની મૂવી નહીં બનાવી શકું તો મારી ના બનાવી શકું યાર.
I like it. This is what
Climate we were working in is it's too hot. It was very much tough to get from the morning 9:30 to evening 6:37, working continuously, getting the colors and all the big clothes in the body, and lying down in the cemented floor in the ground in this hot season. It was bit tough for us, but I don't know how we did it.
There was a big problem with water over there, because we again and again, how many bottles we can bring, because every bottle used to get warm after some time because it was too hot outside. I mean, shooting in that heat was, it was not even possible for some people to sit over there and just watch it. So shooting in that temperature was really very very difficult about it.
सबसे ख़राब ये है कि हीरे ने जो क्लाइमेक्स चूज़ किया है मेरे मुंडी काटने का, जो कि पूरी काट चुका है, यानी कि फर्स्ट में भी काट दिया और सेकंड में भी काट दिया. यानी कि हीरेन इज़ अ real psycho.
Script, it was good. When first Hiren told me the concept, it's about a psycho killer who was mad, and actually her wife was murdered by a psycho killer. So he goes everywhere, searches for people जो psycho killer है, and he wants to kill them all. But the actual story is like he himself killed his wife, and every possible person in front of him was a ghost or a mad person for him. So I don't know, it was something different, and that's why maybe I acted in his film.
The thing I liked about the role is being as a normal person, I have to behave like a psycho. That's the most important thing.
I have acrophobia. हाइट से बहुत ज़्यादा डर लगता है, एंड अभी इस वक्त मैं काफ़ी ज़्यादा हाइट पे हूँ. यू कैन सी, एंड आई एम रियली वेरी स्केर्ड. सी, कांटे भी है, कूद जाऊंगी तो बस हो गया, जिंदगी तो खत्म हो जानी है हिरेन तेरे सिर्फ एक 10 मिनट के शूट के लिए. हाँ, ओके. हाइट एंड दोज यक, कांटे चुभ रहे थे. देयर वाज नो वाटर हियर एंड द ब्लड टेस्टेड यक. वो फूड कलर जो भी कुछ भी था, आई ऑलमोस्ट ड्रैंक इट, एंड बट स्टिल पीछे कुछ लगना एंड ब्लड बाहर आना, वाव, आई लव्ड इट. इट वाज द बेस्ट शॉट एक्चुअली, मेरे हिसाब से जो मुझे अच्छा लगा करने में. पता नहीं चला कैसे किया, बट पीपल सेड इट वाज परफेक्ट, सो आई लाइक इट.
One scene I remember is there is a scene in the movie. The guy hits a tube light on my back. I mean, he hits it hard. I told him to hit the tube light on my lower back so that the tube light does not hit my hands or something. But and I even put my hands on top so that I'm on the safe side. But still, that guy was in a character mood, and he just hit the tube light so hard and on a slant position that my hand was just sliced out of skin, and I still have those marks. You can see over there. Yep. These marks are still visible, and don't know. I mean, it's still paining, and I think it will take quite a lot of time to recover.
Yeah, and one more thing, Hiren's car got locked. That guy, that fatty fellow, what is his name, Hiren? Bhavik. Yes. पता नहीं क्या कर रहा था यार, डिक्की में चाबी डाल दी और डिक्की बंद कर दी. बेचारा हिरेन यार. इट्स ओके. पर फिर भी हमने कार बुलवाई, एंड Hyundai वाले आए, कार वार खोली, क्या यार. ओके फाइन, बट इट वाज अ नाइस एक्सपीरियंस. पता नहीं फर्स्ट डे के शूट पे चाबी तो खो गई, आई मीन चाबी खोई नहीं थी, बट कार बंद हो गई. पर नेक्स्ट डे सबने क्या इम्पोर्टेंस दिया है चाबी को, जितना कैमरे को भी नहीं मिला होगा.
He took the weapons out. Blood bottle was inside the car. Water bottle was inside the car. Script was inside the car. Everything was inside the car except us. We all were outside. We were thinking to shoot now. And what do you see? The sun was setting the other side, and we were setting the other side. Somehow we tried to open the door, but it was like not at all possible.
ब्लड, पानी प्लस फूड कलर रेड एंड ग्रीन. सी, कूल ना. मेरे तो मुंह में गया था, पी लिया था मैंने, इसे पी लिया था, एंड वाज वेरी वेरी सॉर. इट टेस्ट यक. रख ले हिरेन, तू रख ले.
We really enjoyed the timing we spent together. We did lots of kind of mastis and all, different kind of mastis. What kind of mastis we don't know. We just involved in our character, and all the mastis were regarding the characters only. It was all like maddish type of things. The whatever we did, but one thing, it will be with us forever. I think so forever. What? After the death also we will keep remembering. यार यहाँ पे इतने हाइट में चढ़ के यहाँ पे हम फूकम फूक कर रहे थे. It was too good, यार.
So, according to me, the film we made is, I loved it. There was time problem, but we somehow managed to make the film nicely, and to all the people who helped me out and who worked with me, love you all. Thanks. No, you are. Start. Take. 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 You're too.
No, it's first. What? Tell me the mistake.
Be like this. Stand, stand, stand. Stand over there. One hand. Walk. શું થયું?
મોમેન્ટ નથી આપવાની, ખાલી હાથ આમ જ રાખ. હા બસ, ઓકે ફાઇન.
रुको 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 टेक कहीશ. ધીરે જને નીકળતા.
આવી જજે આખો બાર.
આઈને દોડી જશે બહાર.
ઓટિસ્ટ આવ્યો.
પેન્ટ વાળી ચડ્ડી. શું કહે છે?
ઓટિસ્ટ આવ્યો.
કેવો છે?
કારો કારો. પડવાનું હોય તો પડી જજે ભાઈ.
બે તું ત્યાં કેમ જતો રહે? ખબર ના પડી મને.
પ્રોપર પ્રોફેશન મળી ગયું જો આજ મને નહીં મળે.
સ્ટાર્ટ.
बॉल प्लेड 7 नेशंस ऑफ फुटबॉल. कम मेरे साथ ग्राउंड में आओ ना, तब मजा आएगा.
मैं फुटबॉल यहाँ पढ़ा हूँ ना तो अभी मैं लाती
एक लाइन बोलूं? मजाक में काहे सीरियस हो रहे हो यार तुम भी.
चल भाई.
चल भाई,
ये डायलॉग रहेगा तेरा नेक्स्ट फिल्म.
शांति रख.